Hi friends, in this session we'll start with a fresh chapter, that is chapter number 8, D and F block element. So after completion of P block element, now it's time to discuss D and F block element. This D and F block element is really very important just because of almost day to day life में यूज होने वाली सारी की सारी metal lies in this block, as well as most precious metal like platinum, gold and silver are also available in this block. So that's why this block having a really very good application in varieties of field like day-to-day life, construction, everywhere. Even precious metals are also available in this group. That's why we have to discuss this chapter in detail. So let's start. D and F block element. Transition elements, also known as transition metals, are the element that have partially filled d orbitals. Basically transition is all about, that is S block and P block के बीच में stay करने वाला group, that is called as transition. It's a transition between S and P. And second, this group has the highest oxidation numbers, that is Mn having +2 to +7, that is +2, +3, +4, +5, +6 and +7. All the oxidation states are available in case of this family member, and due to this family member are always entitled as transition state elements. IUPAC defines transition elements as an element having a d subshell that is partially filled with an electrons, or an electron that has ability to form stable cation with an incomplete filled d orbital. In general, any element which corresponds to this d block of this modern periodic table, that is considered to be the transition state element. Even the F block elements comprises the lanthanide as well as actinide can be considered as transition state elements. However, since the F block element have the incomplete filled F blocks element, they are often referred as inner transition elements or inner transition metals. And detailing the positions of this transition state element of this periodic table with this general electronic configuration. So first of all, once again थोड़ा सा आपको recap करवा लो. This is our modern periodic table. आप सभी ने देखा हुआ है. In modern periodic table, there is a separate positions of F, there is a separate positions of D block elements. So without wasting much time, so this part, that is group number 3 to group number 12, are entitled as a transition state element, that is called as D block element. This is 3D, 4D, 5D, and this is all about your 6D. So 3D start from scandium, zinc with Zn, ytterbium to cadmium, then lanthanum. यहाँ से start हो जाएगा आपका F block element. So this is entitled as the inner transition element. Inner transition elements is all about lanthanides, that is after the lanthanium, that is lanthanides, and actinium, that is after the actinide, that is entitled as the lanthanide series. This is entitled as lanthanide series, that is 4f orbital is taking part in this, and actinide series. So this is all about your actinide series, that is 5f is taking part. So we have to discuss in detail, that is 3D, 4D and 5D. Fine. Most important one marker question, Zn, Cd and Hg are not entitled as a transition state element, though they are available in transition state. Just because Zn having 3d10, Cd having 4d10 and Hg having a 5d10, just because of fulfill electronic configuration, Zn, Cd and Hg are not entitled as transition state element. So here in case transition के लिए 3D हमें in detail discuss करना है. And then we have to compare that characteristics of D block with 4D and 5D. Fine. So सबसे पहला part obviously आएगा, that is electronic configuration, and followed by this general properties. Next पूरा session हम खाली discuss करने वाले हैं electronic configuration. Means if you are through with this electronic configuration, 50% question are based on this electronic configuration. Means हाफ फिल्ड है तो ये होगा, फुल फिल्ड है तो वो होगा. अगर 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन निकल जाएंगे तो ये हो जाएगा, 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन निकल जाएगा तो ये हो जाएगा. सो इफ यू हैव अ वेरी गुड कमांड ऑन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिग्रेशन, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आपके इजीली सॉल्व हो जाएंगे. तो आज हम थोड़ा सा डिस्कशन करते हैं इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिग्रेशन के बारे में, फॉलोड बाय जनरल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स के बारे में. एंड नेक्स्ट सेशन जब भी हम करेंगे, विल डिस्कस ओनली एंड ओनली इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिग्रेशन विद द वेरियस एस्पेक्ट. So once again, this is D block element, that is scandium 2Zn, that is 3D, this is 4D, this is 5D. After La, that is lanthanum series, that is 4F elements. After actinium, that is actinide series, this is separate position 4F, and this is 5F, this is inner transition elements. So this is all about your pictorial diagram of place where 3D or D element lies and where F element lies. So next topic will start, that is called electronic configuration of transition state element. So let's start with electronic configuration. It can be noted that some of these elements, the electronic configuration correspond to n-1 d phi ns1 or n-1 3d10 ns1. These are the exceptional cases where ns में एक इलेक्ट्रॉन और d5 हो जाएगा, that is half fill electronic configuration. And these are the exceptional cases where ns में 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन होगा, d10 होगा. This electronic configuration gives to this chromium, this electronic configuration gives to this copper. Rather than remaining family member always having ns2 d raised to 1 to 10. Basically this is the common electronic configuration, that is n-1 d 1 to 10 n raised to 2. So this is all about your general electronic configuration. This is because ये क्यों हो रहा है? Just because the extra stability of d phi, that is half fill electronic configuration, and extra stability of full fill electronic configuration, that is 3d d10. This is because the stability provided by this half filled or completely filled electron orbitals. It can be observed that Aufbau's principle is not followed by many transition elements like chromium. यहाँ पे Aufbau principle clear नहीं होगा. Why? Because जब तक lower energy orbital means ns2 नहीं हो जाता, तब तक आप d में नहीं जा सकते हो. But just because the energy gap between 4s and 3d are really very small, and due to this one electron jump from 4s and goes to the 3d, and we get the very stable electronic configuration as well as the stability of compound is increases. The reason is for believing that the relatively low energy gap between 3d and 4s orbital and 4d and 5s orbital. The electronic configuration of chromium and copper in 3d series shows as exceptional, that is chromium 24. एक्चुअली क्या होना चाहिए? अगर नॉर्मल तरीके से देखने जाओ तो 24 आर्गन कोर 3d4 4s2 होना चाहिए. बट इफ वन इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्रॉम 4s goes to 3d, then d reaches to this d5, which is half fill electronic configuration and which gives you the extra stability. And due to this, chromium having electronic configuration argon core 3d5 4s1. नेक्स्ट केस ऑफ कॉपर. अगर नॉर्मल टेंडेंसी देखो तो कॉपर का इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिग्रेशन होना चाहिए आर्गन कोर 3d9 4s2. बट अगर 4s में से एक इलेक्ट्रॉन d9 में चला जाता है, सो वी गेट 3d10, विच इज फुलफिल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिग्रेशन. एंड ड्यू टू दिस रीजन, कॉपर हैविंग इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिग्रेशन आर्गन कोर 3d10 4s1. इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट टू नोट दैट एलिमेंट्स mercury, cadmium and Zn are not considered as a transition state elements. मैंने अभी आपको डिस्कशन किया था जब मैंने पिक्चोरल डायग्राम दिखाया था. Zn, Cd and mercury are not entitled as a transition state element just because they have a fulfill electronic configuration of 3d10, 4d10 and 5d10, which represent n-1 d10 ns2. These elements have this completely filled d orbital in their ground state and even in some of this oxidation state. And due to this, that is Zn plus 2. Plus 2 करोगे तो 4s2 के 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन निकल जाएंगे. You have 3d10. So likewise, normal ground state as well as some oxidation state, that is plus 2. मे बी D10 फुलफिल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिगुरेशन है एंड ड्यू टू दिस रीजन दे आर नॉट कंसिडर्ड एज अ ट्रांजिशन स्टेट एलिमेंट. फाइन, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिगुरेशन. बहुत ही डिटेलिंग इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिगुरेशन पढ़ना है, बट नेक्स्ट फ्रेश सेशन पूरा उसके लिए रखेंगे. नाउ विल मूव ऑन टू दिस सम जनरल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ D and F block element. So let's start with general properties of transition state element. As discussed earlier, the elements Zn, Cd and Mercury are not considered as the transition elements since their electronic configuration are different from the other transition metals. However, the rest of this D block element are somewhat similar in properties, and this similar can be observed along each specific row of this periodic table. These properties of transition state element are listed below. So now next paragraph is really very important. सारी की सारी property एक एक करके discussion करेंगे हम. First, these elements form colored compound and ions. अब coloration property कैसे आएगी? तो unpaired electron से आएंगी. नेक्स्ट क्लास में जब भी हम इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिगुरेशन पढ़ेंगे तब ये सारा का सारा टॉपिक हम डिस्कस फिर से करेंगे. सो दिस एलिमेंट्स फॉर्म कलर्ड कंपाउंड एंड आयंस. दिस कलर इज एक्सप्लेन्ड बाय दिस डी ट्रांजिशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. देयर इज अ रिलेटिवली लो गैप इन एनर्जी बिटवीन दिस पॉसिबल ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट ऑफ दिस एलिमेंट्स. द ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट्स therefore exhibit the many oxidation state. Many paramagnetic compounds are formed by these elements because of this unpaired electron in the D block elements. Paramagnetic का मतलब भी आपको पता है, the species has unpaired electron. When you put it into the strong field of magnet, they are attracted by means of magnetism, and that's why they are entitled as paramagnetic compound. So इसमें से बहुत सारे कंपाउंड जो है या फिर एलिमेंट है वो पैरामैग्नेटिक है just because they have a unpaired electron in valence shell. A large variety of ligand can be bind themselves to this element. We already completed chapter number 9. उसके अंदर बहुत सारे कॉम्प्लेक्स देखे. उसके अंदर हाईएस्ट हमने यूज किए थे 3D के एलिमेंट लाइक निकल, आयरन, क्रोमियम, कॉपर, platinum, cobalt and many more. All the elements are belong from this D block only. So a variety of ligands can be bind themselves with this element. Due to this, a wide variety of stable complexes are formed between transition elements. These elements have this larger ratio of charge to radius. Transition metal tends to the hard. They have the relatively high density when compared to other. Most important example tungsten. Tungsten इसी ग्रुप का है. क्रोमियम, निकल, कॉपर, ये सारी की सारी जो मेटल जो है वो इसी के अंदर छुपी हुई है. And due to this reason, so many alloys are formed by the combination of these varieties of elements. The boiling point and the melting point of these elements are really very high. Due to this, participations of this delocalized d electrons in this metallic bonding. This metallic bonding of this delocalization of d electron are also causes transition elements to be the good conductor of electricity. Most important, they are really very good conductor of electricity just because availability of free electron in d subshell. d subshell के अंदर unpaired electron है. यही अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास करने के लिए यूज होता है. सो दैट्स व्हाई दे आर गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. सेवरल ट्रांजिशन मेटल्स हैव दिस कैटालिटिकल प्रॉपर्टी. आप देखिए डी ब्लॉक के अंदर जितनी भी स्पीशीज है बहुत सारी स्पीशीज कैटलिस्ट के रूप में काम आती है. दैट इज 3D के एलिमेंट्स देख लीजिए. यू स्टार्ट विद स्कैंडियम, टिटेनियम. टिटेनियम इज यूज्ड, वेनेडियम इज यूज्ड, क्रोमियम इज यूज्ड. Mn के भी बहुत सारे कैटालिटिकल प्रॉपर्टी है. Fe, आयरन यूज इनटू दिस हैबर प्रोसेस. कोबाल्ट इज यूज्ड, निकल इज यूज्ड, कॉपर इज यूज्ड एंड Zn इज यूज्ड. ऑलमोस्ट 3D के एक्सेप्ट 1 और 2 एलिमेंट को छोड़ के सारे के सारे एलिमेंट कैटालिटिकल प्रॉपर्टी रखते हैं. दैट दे आर रियली वेरी यूजफुल फॉर दिस इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोडक्शन. बहुत सारे केमिकल स्पीशीज बनाने के लिए ये कैटलिस्ट यूज होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आयरन यूज एज अ कैटलिस्ट ऑफ हैबर प्रोसेस. प्रिपेयरिंग ऑफ अमोनिया और मैनी मोर, बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल, सेपरेट टॉपिक भी है ये चैप्टर के अंदर, कैटालिटिकल एक्टिविटी, वहां पे हम पढ़ेंगे। दैट इज सिमिलरली जैसे वेनेडियम पेंटॉक्साइड का एग्जाम्पल लिया, आयरन का एग्जाम्पल लिया, प्लेटिनम इज यूज्ड एज अ कैटलिस्ट, निकल यूज होता है हाइड्रोजिनेशन वेजिटेबल घी बनाने के लिए, एंड मैनी मोर एग्जाम्पल्स आर देयर। So these are the general properties or general characteristics of transition state element. So this is all about your introductory part of this first session, that is D and F block element. Next session में सबसे पहले हम electronic configuration in detail discuss करने वाले हैं. Then gradually we moved on to this physical properties like atomic radius, ionic radius, ionization enthalpy क्या है, potential क्या है, and many more stuff. So this is all about your today's session. Thank you so much.